Hi everyone. So today video I will explain you how we can restrict API by using specific role. Let's start how to do that one. So those who are watching this video newly, kindly subscribe this channel and share and like my videos. So you will get some more technical videos. And it's a humble suggestion. Kindly complete this previous part of this video. So you will get some more idea about WSO2 product. So let's start one sample demo. So this is dev portal, you can see, right? So this dev portal, there are API we can see. This APIs we can see without any authentication. That means like any user can able to access dev portal and open this API and they can able to see the description and details about the API. So you want to restrict after authentication only that specific user can able to see that one. If I click sign in, so here you can see, right? Even sign in also we can able to see. Without sign in also we can able to see the API. So let's start how to restrict this one. So as we know already this product have one more portal, publisher portal. So I already upload one video. If you go through this channel, right, if you scroll down, there is one part 7 is there, features of dev portal and publisher portal. It have all step by step process. So kindly go through this part 7 or else I will add in I button, so you can check that one. They have multiple functionality and multiple technical things which you need to be know like before executing this flow. Let's start how to do that one. So first of all, let's go through carbon portal. So this carbon portal, there is one add option is here. Click that one. There is two option it will come, right? Let's choose add new role. So we want to restrict this any one of the API. So let me create one role for the sample API. Even you can use as per your wish, like any role name. Let me use your sample. Click finish. So if you scroll down here, you can see, right, the role has been added here. Let's start like how to use this role for restrict the API. So as I mentioned, there is one more portal is there, publisher portal. So here open that API, specific API which you want to restrict. Okay. There is one option portal configuration. Under portal configuration there is one basic info is there. Click that one. If you scroll down, so here you can see, right, there is one option is here developer portal visibility. So this one I want to restrict by user. So I am adding that same user. Click enter. So here I am adding what, like I want to restrict this particular API by using this role. If I scroll down, click save here. So now sample API updated successfully. So we want to do what? For reflecting this same thing to dev portal, we want to redeploy this API. If you scroll down, there is one deployment option is here. And there is one deploy new revision is here. Click this one. By default, it will select this default deploy. Below you can see, right, revision created successfully and deployed successfully. Now go to dev portal. If I refresh this one, you can see, right, the restricted API role, a restricted API is not visible here without authentication. If I again sign in, now only I can see this sample API. Let me show you. Let's log out. That sample API is not visible here. That means that API is now restricted by the role. So this is one sample process. Like I hope this video they have some idea how to restrict API by using specific role. So this video this much only. Thank you so much for watching my video. So my plan is like I'll upload one configuration video, then one API. So like that way, like maybe it is make you interesting. So those who are really think this video is helpful for them, kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. It will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.